I'm Boris Barbour. I'm a neuroscientist working in Paris, and I'm one of the organisers of the Paris Spring School in Optical Imaging and Electrophysiological Techniques in Neuroscience, also known as the Paris Neuro course. The first version of this course was run in 2009. It was founded by David Ogden, who had decades of experience running the cell physiology workshop in Plymouth. And a lot of the philosophy of that course has carried over to the Paris Neuro course. So the course has ambitious objectives. So we have lectures, electronics and optics, practicals, and then 9 experimental rigs, most of which are built specifically for the course, to allow the students to learn about the basics, the techniques, and then to try the experiments for themselves with experts on site. One of the objectives of the course is to expose the students to the latest equipment. So we have a policy, and indeed it's a requirement, to assemble equipment from many manufacturers. So we approach all the major manufacturers of the sorts of equipment that we're going to use, and several do support the course, for which we're very grateful. Amongst those, Scientifica has been one of the longest and sort of most generous supporters of the course, and so we're very grateful for the reliable equipment and service they've provided to the course. We really hope that the students will leave with a theoretical and practical understanding of how to use their equipment to run the experiments that they need to run.